The Nissan FM platform, also used on sedans and sports coupes, is a longitudinal engine layout, basic rear-wheel drive and a connected front axle. Indexes FX35, FX37, FX50 reflect the engine size. Restyling in 2011 had little effect on the exterior, but added advanced electronics. In 2013, the model was renamed QX70, without technical changes. Reliable petrol aspirators are FX's trump card on the secondary. Our most massive 3.7, 333 horsepower, is a modification of the base version 63.5, 307 horsepower. Both are capable of 400,000 kilometers plus. Top version 85.0, 400 horsepower, less racks. Their character is about the same. Gluttonous. There are no hydraulic lifters. Violent accelerations and exercises in the mud greatly reduce the life of the timing chain, which is normally at least 200,000 kilometers. As motors age, they eat oil as a result of coking and are prone to overheating due to clogged oil passages and radiators. It is advisable to periodically flush the latter, as overheating leads to scoring and cracks. This is especially true of the V8 engine. The version 63.0 turbo diesel, 238 horsepower, even after the revision, is not among the problem-free. The timing chain resource is small, 150,000 kilometers is the limit. The throttle and piston rings quickly collect carbon deposits. The EGR valve is even faster. It is very expensive to repair, including due to the lack of catalog numbers for many elements. At the same time, diesel is valued for its huge torque and moderate fuel consumption. There are no mechanics, only the Jatco JR710E, FX35.37, 7-speed hydraulic automatic and its more momentary version JR711E, FX50 and diesel FX30D. Set up for a driving ride, which is expressed in a few jerky shifts. Aggressive driving entails increased oil heating, with an insufficiently effective cooling system, and accelerated wear of bushings and clutches. Wear products quickly spoil everything else. It is not uncommon for owners to think about changing the oil when kicks and delays appear, so when choosing, the diagnosis of the box will not hurt. Ideally, change the oil every 30,000 kilometers, and even more often with an active driving style. Then the machine will serve 300,000 kilometers or more. The box is massive, finding spare parts is not a problem. The front-wheel drive is strong and durable multiplate clutch, but overheats quickly, so the FX is not an SUV. The suspension is durable enough. Every 50 to 80,000, you may have to change the stabilizer links and thrust bearings. When evaluating future expenses, it should be borne in mind that a number of cars have electronically controlled shock absorbers and a rear-wheel steering drive, in which the motor often dies. The resource of brake pads and discs on the FX35 and FX30D leaves much to be desired. On powerful versions, more tenacious components are used, but they sometimes end up to 40,000 kilometers. In cold weather, door locks often freeze. On the secondary, many FX have twisted mileage,